presenting the Redmi 9A Sport. The phone comes in color options of carbon black, nature green, and sea blue, metallic blue, coral green, and midnight black. The phone has display of 20:9 aspect ratio, 720 by 1600 pixels and 16.58 centimeters, 6.53 inch. The phone also has HD Plus display. It has 13MP rear camera. It has 5MP front camera. It has a eye portrait. It comes with 5000 mAh large battery. It has 32 GB storage, 2 GB RAM and dedicated SD card slot. It supports dual SIM, Nano Plus Nano. It is powered by MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core and up to 2.0 GHz clock speed. It also features rear camera and front camera, dual_SIM and camera. The delivery box contains Redmi 9A Sport, power adapter and USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide.